Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of Tuesday. No, Thursday. It's Thursday, May the 6th, 2021. Yes, tomorrow it's Friday. First week of the month. We have a speed test. But today only one a regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku we have here. And by the way, in this newspaper, there's also an additional with extra Sudokus. I believe 8 extra Sudokus today. But first, we will solve this baby. And this one will be number 2748. Alright. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. I've already counted 26. There are. If you compare with the Sudokus in the additional with extra Sudokus, this is similar one with a 2-star. Yes, 2 stars has always 26 printed digits, and for a 2-star I need 15 minutes to 20 minutes to solve. Yeah, 3 stars 20 to 30 minutes, and 4 stars more than 30 minutes I need to solve. Alright, so let's get started. Alright. The tripod is not a good tripod. Wobbling. It's wobbling. Look. It's wobbling. So I need to take care not to do this a lot. Alright. We have the puzzle. Let me scan. Which number shall I pick? How about the number? The number. Let me see. Yeah. Yeah. Alright. The last row. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and a 5. We have a 2 and a 5 in this big square. So no 2 and a 5 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 and a 5 goes in these 2 boxes, 2 and a 5. And we have a 5 in this column. So no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. The other 2 numbers in the last row are the numbers 3 and 9. 3 and 9 are missing. We see here 9. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 3 goes there. All right. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers are 1. We see there 1. So no 1 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 1. Should be there. All right. Then, how about the number in this big square? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and the 9. We have a 5 and a 9 in this row, so no 5 and a 9 in those 3 boxes. So 2 boxes left for the 5 and the 9. And we see here 5 in this column, so no 5 in those 2 boxes. So the 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. All right. Then. How about? Four missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number is a 7 in this column. We see here 7 in this big square, so no 7 in those 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. All right. Yeah. How about Yeah. And let me think. Yeah. Alright. 5. Okay. We have a 1 in this column, 1 in the column next, so in the last column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the third row, so in the row between the second row. Only 2 places for the 1 should be here. Oh, there, we see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 3 places for the 1 should be here, or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 1. All right. Let me see. We see 6 and an 8 in the last column, 6 and an 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 6 and 8 should be in those 2 boxes, 6 and 8. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here, and a 6 goes there. All right. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see there 6. No 6 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 2 and 9, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. All right. 2 and a 9. How about the 2 in this column? Wait. 2. Yes. Look in this big square. And 8 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 9. Oh, wait. No. Wrong conclusion. Let me do this. Okay, 2 in this column, 2 in the second column. So the third column, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. One of these 2 boxes is a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. All right. And now. Yeah. Okay. How about 6, 1, 8, 5. 5 should be there. 5 should be here. Yeah. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, so no 5 in this box. There are 5, no 5 in that box. So the 5 could be here, could be there. All right. So we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. All right. 2 numbers left. Those missing numbers are the 3 and the 4 in this column. 3 and the 4. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. All right. So we have a 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We see there 3. We see there also a 3, so no 3s in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. All right. 3 in the third column, 3 in the first column, so the column be 3 in the second column. The only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next, so in that column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 3. All right. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 5. We see there 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in the last column for the numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 number left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. All right. 2 numbers left in this row. Here we have a 2 and a 9, so those 2 boxes should be the 4 and the 5. 4 and a 5 are missing. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. All right, this is a 5. 2 numbers left in the middle. A row for the numbers 8 and 9. 8 and 9 are missing. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 are missing. 6 and the 7 I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 5. Now we have a 5 there. So this box cannot be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. Oh, why? Do we have all the 5s? Yes. And all the 5s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 5. All right. All right. All right. Then 4, 8, 6. How about the number? Those 2 numbers. The missing numbers in the second column are the 4 and the 8. 4 and the 8. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about those 2 boxes? 1, 2, 3, the 4 and the 6 are missing. 4 and the 6. We have a 4 here. No 4 there. 4 should be there. And the 6 goes there. All right. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 4. All right, 2 numbers left in this big square for number 7 and 8. 7 and 8. We have an 8 there. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 here, so this box can't be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 6. All right, 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 7 and an 8. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. How about those 2 boxes in this big square? 1, the 2 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes. And there, 1 number left in the second row for the number 8. Yes. Now we have 8 there, so this box can't be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. And this box should be a 7. All right. 2 boxes left in the first row for the numbers 2 and 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 9 are missing. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finished in 15 minutes. All right. 2 stars. Yes. Could be a faster, but yeah. I love this Medium Sudoku. Yeah. Did you enjoy the video? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists. If you like medium Sudokus, I have a playlist for the medium Sudokus. If you like tectonic puzzles, I have a playlist for you to use to find the tectonics. Yes, playlist for the binaries, playlist for the Sudokus with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, heavy Sudokus, light Sudokus, killer Sudokus, all kind of Sudokus or puzzles you like. All right, thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Thursday, and we will meet again very soon with the extra Sudokus in the additional. So see you then. Bye bye for now.